Many whole-of-governments are predicted by quantum theory. It is theorized that primordial whole-of-governments were formed in the high-density environment of the early Bureauverse. They arose out of the quantum foam. Any whole-of-government of sufficiently low mass will evaporate to near Planck's constant within the lifetime of the Bureauverse. Planck's constant is the minimum amount of spin in a reporton, which can be positive or negative. Reportons are emitted in a collision between reality and WIMPs, weakly interacting massive public servants. It is postulated that a reporton without spin cannot exist. The whole of government is a space occupied by an uncritical mass of WIMPs from which no energy can escape. The whole of government is bound by the non-event horizon. Some theories predict that micro whole of governments can be formed at an energy as low as the EEC, European Economic Community. This theory is being tested currently in the LHC, Large Has-Been Collider, which has been set up in Europe. In the LHC, WIMPs are accelerated to the theoretical limit of career advancement, represented by the symbol C. You may recall that classical physics puts a limit on career advancement due to the second law of Bureaudynamics: entropy never decreases. WIMPs are accelerated in the LHC, and when they are approaching C, they are collided with each other, and many whole of governments are formed. Pairs of virtual particles with opposite spin emerge from the non-event horizon surrounding the whole of government. The one with positive spin, called the credulity particle, is captured by the whole of government, and the other, the negative incredulity particle, escapes. This is called balking radiation, and is contributing to a measurable increase in skepticism in the Bureauverse. You yourself may be feeling increased incredulity effects even now. One effect of the increase in balking radiation is reflected in quantum theories, with string-em-along theory failing to convince people that everything is made up of one-dimensional string vibrating at Planck's constant. It was replaced with theory. Theory proposes that alternative Bureauverses exist in totally separate dimensions known as silos, touching at every point, but unable to be contacted or to have any effect on each other. It is predicted that thousands of these silos exist, but the theory remains untested.